Hi everyone, how are you doing? So I just got done editing my video for today, or I guess yesterday, whenever the video I was just editing was posted, and I finally got my mail. My mail generally comes later in the day, and I got a package, and it says it's from HPS, and I'm not positive what this is, but I have a feeling it is a brand new subscription that I recently subscribed to myself called the Houseplant box. And since it is a plant, potentially, I feel like I should open it right away. So that is what we are going to do. So it's a little later in the day, so if the lighting's off in any sort of way, that is why. But I'm super excited. So it just came in this little white box. And I subscribed to this box because I really want more houseplants in my house. I have a few little succulents and some mint growing, which I showed recently on my Instagram stories. If you are not yet following me, you definitely should check that out. But I, like I said, wanted plants, and I chose this subscription box specifically because they have an option for pet-friendly plants. So there's a plan where you only get sent plants that are pet-friendly. So that means they're not going to be toxic to your cats or your dogs. So that is super important to me. As many of you probably know, I do have 3 cats that I love to death, and they're surrounding me in this room right now, so you might hear some noises. 2 of them are sleeping, one's kind of creeping around. But anyways, I'm super excited. So before we get started, before I tell you more about this box, I just want to remind you that I do have an active giveaway going on that ends April 13th, so I will leave my giveaway link down below in the description box. My giveaway is for 2 of the Walmart Beauty Favorite boxes. And we have a bigger giveaway hopefully coming super soon. At the time of recording this, I'm only 50 away from 4,000 subscribers. Wow, getting ahead of myself there. And once I hit that mark, I'm going to launch an even bigger giveaway, a much bigger giveaway. It's a big thank you to all of you. I love my subscribers so much. But yeah, so with any new box on my channel, I pull up the website and I give you some more information so both you and I can learn more about it. Alright, so Houseplant box is available on Cratejoy, and it says it's a monthly box of healthy and unique houseplants, succulents, or air plants. Plans start as low as $11.25 a month. I did go ahead and subscribe for 3 months to the pet friendly box. And it says Houseplant Shop delivers a custom crafted collection of houseplants and houseplant products in a simple monthly package. We use our large array of plants in our greenhouse to put together a uniquely themed box every month. There will also be random surprises in the deliveries, like plant fertilizers, planters, and display stands. These are all healthy houseplants grown in California. There is a 24/7 support team from plant experts, our team of plant experts, 100% satisfaction guarantee, easy care instructions included, fast and free shipping anywhere in the US. And it was pretty fast. I subscribed really recently and I received this within a few days of ordering. And they also say you can cancel at any time, so I have no idea what I got. All I know is I picked the pet-friendly box. So normally it's $12 a month, but if you prepay for a few months like I did, it's $11.25 a month. So they also have the regular houseplant box, which may include some plants that are toxic to animals. If you don't have pets, that would be an option. There's also a premium monthly box, so that's even more expensive, so you probably get more expensive plants. And then there is an office monthly plant box, which is a large box of premium indoor plants. So you get a bunch to fill a whole office. That would actually be nice to get to fill up a whole house, but you can also do it for your office. So they have several plans. Of course, I will leave the link in the description box if you want to check them out for yourself. But anyways, let's get this plant out of here. It probably needs some, fresh air and some love and some TLC. So when I open the box, this is what I see. So it does appear to be a little baby plant. I always call plants like my babies. I just love that. I check my mint that's growing every day. Okay, so here is a packing slip. And there's a piece of paper that talks about our plant, which I'll show you in just a moment. Here is our little plant. Oh, okay. Let's open this up. Just throwing things around. I do that all the time in videos. I have to like do major cleanup. So it seems healthy. Made it across the country from California to Florida okay. Oh, I'm gonna make sure my cats don't eat you. So this is what it looks like. So it's a little push to the side just from packaging, but it looks healthy. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are able to see it well. Let's see what this is. So here is the card that comes inside. It's it says baby's tear. The actual name, the scientific name, I don't even know if I should try and say it, but Solierolia? I don't know. The origin is Italy. It says it requires a medium amount of light. So if you could see here, it like gives a scale of what it needs. So it says this will grow in low light but prefers bright indirect light. Keep out of direct sun, which will scorch the leaves. So maybe I'll put it somewhere behind me that's near the window but not right in front of it. And it says keep the potting medium moist at all times. It will not tolerate dry soil. I actually just ordered like a watering kit from Amazon. So I'll link that below if anyone's interested. I don't know if anyone's into that, but it came with like a little sprayer and then also some other like water, like watering kit. Let me show you. So my kit came with 2 of these. I think this is the larger one. I just use this to water my succulents a little bit. So you aren't just like pouring water. And then it also came with a spray bottle and then some other device that you can like a little like pick looking thing that you can put into your plant that slowly waters it, I believe. I still need to, or still have a lot to learn about plants, but I'm so excited to learn more. But yeah, I found some like cheaper kit on Amazon if you're looking for things like this in a spray bottle for plants. It says common issues, scorched leaves, so give less sunlight, or wilted leaves, which means more water. And this is the March box, by the way. They probably sent me that right away because I ordered it at the end of March. And this is temperature, it prefers is 60 to 75 degrees. And then there is a picture of it fully grown and everything like that. And also there is a code on the back of here I will show you guys. So I'm excited. I've never had like any sort of houseplant before, so I'm definitely gonna water it. I don't have like a thing to put it in, so I'll probably have to order some planters. I ordered these cute little planters for my succulents, which I love. Looks adorable. Check out my Instagram stories, you'll see it. I think I even have like a highlight reel of my plants now. I just started that like today or yesterday. I wanted to get something cute to put this in. For now, I'll just like put it on like a little plate or something so when I water it, all the water doesn't get everywhere, but I am so excited. I feel like smelling it even though it's not like a flowering plant. I don't know, but yeah, I'm so excited. I love it already. Have you guys heard of this? Baby tears? I don't know. But I'm so excited to see what I get. I'm really getting into plants as of like past like few days. But I really want to get more for around my house, and if my cats do happen to get into it, I love that knowing that it is okay for them. But I really hope they don't chew on these leaves, so I'm gonna have to keep my plants supervised like I try to do. But yeah, I think this is a super fun subscription. Like, I'm so excited to have houseplants. Have you guys ever heard of a houseplant subscription box before? I only looked into it briefly, and this is the one I found that the pet friendly thing sold me. But if you guys have any other recommendations, definitely let me know. And definitely follow me on Instagram. Like I've repeated so many times, I do post photos on there. So if you want to see how my new baby plant does and how it grows and adapts here in Florida, yeah, I'll keep you updated there. So I am so pumped right now. I'm gonna go water this. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, link for the website along with the giveaway links will be below. So I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.